Bet there's nothing left to do.
Everybody stick around because we're going to have some fun and look at this.
Go if you want to get yourself an aquarium.
And all these money 29.
A free trip after just 20.
My jail. Del mundo. Su fundador.
So I dug my heels in deeper. My
We interrupt this program to bring you a civil emergency message. A civil authority has issued a civil emergency message for residents of Carbon County at 8:53 p.m. effective until 10:30 a.m. A message from the CCPD and CCMO. A stay home, stay alive order is in place. Effective immediately, all travel is strictly and completely prohibited, for the safety of all residents of Carbon County. An escaped convict is armed and dangerous. Almost 40 people have been killed so far. All those outside will be considered to be potential victims. Absolutely, positively, do not exit your homes.